Prynawn da, croeso pawb, good afternoon, welcome. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Osama Khan, to speak to you. Please be seated.
Anrihethis diprwy gangletor, an yw'l gafiatilion, vonedigon a vonediagesau, chroeso canes ion I Pifasgol di Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841. An institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r Prifysgol abyd busnes wedi gweithio ac an gweithio'n law an llaw. The university and the business world have worked and are working hand in hand. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people for work and future career that we hope will allow individuals to reach the highest of their talents. And as I look at you all here today, looking fantastic in your gowns, and so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't actually see just a crowd. I see proud individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reasons for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from schools and colleges. Others already in work, wanting to upskill, and there are those of you that have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. In fact, recently, I spoke to an alumnus of the university who had completed not one, not two, but 6 qualifications from University of South Wales. So just be careful, because it might be very difficult to leave university as well. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs a lot of change, a lot of good change. We need people who can effect positive and real change, people who aren't satisfied with things as they stand today. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive, and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduates. And I know that seems like a big ask. That doesn't mean that you're asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your forces, your company, your immediate team. Big change is usually lots of small changes added together. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legend of Mamyngion, the story of Branwen. And it goes like this. By the way, first time speaking in Welsh, so do excuse me. Avo ben bin bond. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled with each other, reach heights not possible alone at all. I also know that many of you will have created memories, long-lasting friendship as you spent your time with us. As I welcome you today to your community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. No matter how hard it gets, always choose to do the right thing. I like to think that the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, collaborative, that our intention as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, the skills, and the resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career. Just pause, reflect, seek support, and move forward again. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. During your time at University of South Wales, you have been part of a faculty whose students have explored Belize's rainforest and coral reef, advanced aircraft design, connected with global technology communities, and helped place USW among the UK's leading university rocketry teams. From award-winning aeronautical engineering to Rocketry Society success to Wales's first Google Developer Group on-campus chapter, these achievements reflect the energy, curiosity, and ambition of this community. Today, you graduate from a faculty where partnership, practice, and real-world impact have shaped your learning. Across sport, psychology, policing, criminology, health and social care, education, chiropractic, and therapeutic studies, you have learned with schools, public services, the NHSs, the police forces, so proud to see them all here today, charities and industry partner and professional bodies. Through placements, clinics, and simulation spaces and community settings, your studies have been connected directly to the needs of people, your profession, and your communities. That is purpose and partnership in action, and today you carry that impact even forward. Your job for today is to feel very proud for yourself. Come on, you should be feeling very proud. To look fabulous, to take lots of photos, and maybe even shed a tear or two. The weather is outside brilliant. There's a beautiful red dragon, perfect for Instagram. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind you. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across the stage, they are in no doubt of how proud you are. I can see with pride you all are sitting there. You can do that in any way you want. Let the world know by clapping loudly, by shouting their name, the whistling or whipping. All are legitimate, in fact, absolutely required. Make your family member feel proud as they walk across the stage. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognize something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely by their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be a people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you and through the highs and the difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you needed it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have traveled alongside you proudly and lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you reach this stage. Not just this stage, but stage in your life as well. I also want to recognize the people of the University of South Wales, my wonderful colleagues across the campus who have supported your journey. Here on the stage and across the campuses, our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant, and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition that you have to improve your community. And alongside them, our professional services colleague, whose work is sometimes less visible, but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, and help create the student experience that allows learning and belonging and success to happen. To all of those colleagues and academics and professional services alike, thank you for the part you have played in helping our graduates reach this proud moment. Graduates, I'm now going to ask you to do something special. If you're able, could you please stand up? Now listen to me carefully. I would request you to please look around this room and show your appreciation for the families, friends, teachers, and professional services staff who have helped you reach this day. Give them an absolutely loud applause for the contribution they played in your life. Over to you. Thank you very much. Please be seated. And so, you'll be happy to hear I'm about to close. In closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award and doff your hat to our Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride. In Welsh, Baghdad. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself, who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of this wonderful University of South Wales family. We are, and always will be, very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Cadaog iddo fort en haspas I ilovoi prefosgol ek I bayob seid aman prisonal a comheler kenuyad e prefosgol T Camri Ayen Minas Casnoad R.A. Tridoed Ardek o Gorffennaf 2026. Hadio an hirdon esnokol higian sid oedi providro e diaskas roed I hemdrek eskol hogiad ebod I anal yan gamoes e gael e darban argarvar gradai e kemos tostorai brefosgol droi I brod avi e Karhidiad Godoek Yar Reini Sid Aman Presnol Kid Nabod E Hayam Roniad A Dathal Klidian Pesodon Agian Go Bethian An Tiskoyo I don't Yam Obetheo A Badant An Roy Talent I Desk Gerbon A Profession An Kami Na Dai Hedaron A Bedant An Kavrani E Daftol Ayen Kamas Tethas, Godaek, Ayen, Red, Ed, Aklod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 13th day of July 2026. Today we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intelligent and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science candidates that have been awarded the Master of Science in Analytical and Forensic Science. Olajumoke Deborah Feomi. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Investigation, Courtney Jade Barnes. Ellie Bath. Caitlin Calder. Jacob Chikuri. Samantha Cornwell. Catherine Crocker. Megan Nicole Cross. Fionn Crowley. Macy Cunningham. Catherine Danielle. Tegan Davies. Dewey Elias. Bronwyn Morgan Ellis. Jodie Evans. Kaylee Fletcher. Ashley Fuller. Emily Ferber. Abigail Gazy. Amy Gladzuk. Emily Greenfield. Madison Griffiths. Lowry Guerin. Amelia Hinchy. Ashley Hope. Hermione Hunt. Gemma Huntley. Lucy Jenkins. Owen Jenkins. Casey Lee Jones. Kaisha Jones. Holly Kayla. Alex Kempton. Alexander Krivitska. Ella Leakey. Rosie Lucas. Maisie May McLean. Katie Morris. Simona Melanova. Jessica Nolan. Lucy Osborne. Jaden Perry Edwards. George Philpotts. Mohammed Adraj Rahman. Cody Reynolds. Natasha Jane Richards. Emma Seal. Shannon Sheehan. Keris Smith. Jodie Smith. Lily Squire. Kashia Rael Taylor. Neve Thomas. James Williams. Luke Williams. Alex Willis. Ethan Willis. Seren Woodley. Ellie Young. Molly Yoxall. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science, Ellie Bavington. Jessica May Canning. Matthew Thomas Everson. Sophie Forster. Samantha Haynes. Kiana Hedgie. Kira Hill. Emily May Hunter. Riley Delahaye Holmes Kitchen. Lauren Macmillan. Lacey Morrill. Caris May Robbins. Caris Simmons. Samuel West. Megan Williams. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science.
Pro-Chancellor, I present the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded. The Doctor of Philosophy, Rebecca Nichols. Rebecca Nichols, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Homicide Clearance in England and Wales, Understanding the National Decline. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Fiona Brookman and Dr. Helen Jones, the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Life Sciences in Working with Adult and Young People Who Offend, Rhys Dempsey. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Devon and Cornwall Police, Karen Bartlett. Amelia May. Georgia Mitchell. Sean Ostler. Nicola Taylor. Felicity Wheeler. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Dorset Police, Joshua Eaton. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Dyfed-Powys Police, Edward Coker. Ellen Davis. Bethany Jones. Yasmin Milmau. Emma Page Smith. Bethan Thomas. Bethany Williams. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Gloucester Constabulary, Eleanor Davis. Daniel Kettlety. Megan Price. Liam Sheen. Harry Tyrell. Luke Wyatt. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Gwent Police, Samantha Brestad. Lana Culliford. Madison Davis. Joseph Dozell. Kelly Ann Earnshaw. Jonathan Farmer. Walid Ibrahim. Sebastian Jones. Kate Millenship. Ashley Phillips. Kasper Petrowski. Megan Quinton. Alice Rochefort. Gemma Vaughan. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Wiltshire Police, Rose Bakey. Craig Grinstead. Charlie Haberfield. The Bachelor of Arts in Public Services, Thomas Bond. Mackenzie Casey. Summer May Chick. Ella Evans. Jake Gerlach. Ellie Griffiths. Ganesh Kandal. Kieran Matthews. Kieran Pope. Fionn Powell. Billy Saunders. The Bachelor of Sciences in Criminology and Criminal Justice, Benjamin Aycock. Molly Ashford. Charlie Boucher. Amy Bowen. Zoe Ann Burton. William Clements. Niall Connor Clanford. Anna Crawley. Brittany Curtis. Taya Dix. Keris Edwards. Hannah Gardiner. Dylan Giles. Darcy Gingle. Amy Louise Sarah Hancock. Gerwin Carl Hinksman. Lucy Nyana Holder. Amelia May Howarth. Keisha Hunt. James Ingram. Lucy Jones. Zarmina Khan. Rosie King. Jack Lee. Shania Lewis. Cody Madden. Jessica Moyle. Ross Newton. Luke Paul. Kirsty Powell. Xanth Richards. Neris Sky. Holly Spires. Ellie Thorne. Karis Rose Vasey. Lily J. Waters Evans. J. Welfare. The Bachelor of Science in Criminology and Criminal Justice and Youth Justice, Amelia Bisbee. Lowry Davis. Nell Downey. And Harrod Evans. Rebecca King. Holly Lees. Chloe Long. Ella Mansfield. Colleen O'Shea. Joanne Richards. Catherine Waller. The Bachelor of Science in Criminology and Criminal Justice with Psychology, Ethan Brown. Tamsin Courtney. Charlie Evans. Abby Hughes. Molly Jones. Tegan Kersey. Emily Knight. Alexandra Julia Kucharska. Lena Martins Rodriguez. Freya Oakley. Sophie Palmer. Georgia Robbins. Max James Rowe. Lois Scully. Clea Smith. Theon Stern. Faith Selway. Al-Nahina Tawheed. Ashley Varley. Emily Wicks. Flinos Wilmot.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad gerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Chymru. We'll now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Musical and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau.
The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing, Wesley Baker. Yasmin Barnes. Sarah Louise Ivy Barnes-Wood. Christopher Bainon. Kai Blanche. Bryn Bradley. Thomas Brett. Ben Clissett. Daniel Cotterell. Brittany David. Reese David. Cassie Davis. Emily Davis. Jack Davis. Shannon Davis. James Devine. Madison Edwards. Casey Evans. Olivia Harvey. Ellis Holvey. Thomas Huckridge. Reese Johns. Charlie Jones. Owen Jones. Jessica Keane. Andrea Diana Lakatos. Megan Meredith. Amy Morgan. David Morgans. Holly Morris. Jessica Lily Morris. Jack Merlis. Michael Pratt. Emily Rees. Caleb Richardson. Saren Roach. Nikki Lee Roberts. Jamie Rowlands. Lily Spickett. Jacob Stewart. Amelia Thomas. Owen Thomas. Morgan Watson. Chloe Williams. Enya Williams. George Wren. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing Practice, Devon and Cornwall Police, Alexandra Baker. Ewan Baker. Katerina Bieber. Shannon Carter. Abigail Charman. Edward Cooper. Hannah Corrigan. Jack Credland. Lewis Crocombe. Matt Daddow. Fenella Eastow. Stephen Elliott. Jack Goodwin. Nicholas Hall. Jasmine Hancock. Benjamin Harris. John Hayes. Kelly Jeffries. Terry Jones. Jake Latham. Michaela Lesia. Harry Lewis. Ralph Linden. James Lloyd da Silva. Jessica Marder. Danielle McNeil. Sarah Monks. Tanya Francis Moore. Joshua Malloy. Joseph Oliver. Lachlan Perry. Simone Pickering. George Rowlinson. Owen Rees. Lisa Rogers. Georgia Rooney. Georgia Samoitis. Saul Scarry. Alexandru Sverl. Thomas Shepherd. Claudio Solina. Kane Spiller. Lily Springbett. Zach Tipping. Levi Voisey. Leon Walker. Christopher Ward. George Wilkinson. Tristan Williams. Ryan Wilson. Ryan Woolacott. Thomas Worsley. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing Practice, Dorset Police. William Aitken. Kaylee Jane Vargas. Cameron Chu. Kira Cornwall. Amy Evans. James Fullock. Declan Garbett. Georgios Cipriano. Jack Lawford. Paige Lomas. Ronan Miller. Daniel Morris. Victoria Rogers. Thomas Skinner. Hannah Smith. Ethan Thacker. Brandon Waynes. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing Practice, Dyfed Powys Police. Matthew Avery. Laura Barry. Kai Davis. Nathan Davis. Morgan Edwards. Stephen Gravel Williams. Kaylee Green. Rhys Griffiths. Ewan James. Fionn Jenkins. Thomas Keane. Ryan Kenny. Megan Larkin. Megan Lee. Rodri Mason. Ewan McNabb. James Morse. Ryan Mudd. Callum Page. Kai David Finley Phillips. Leanne Thomas. Nia Thomas. Pearl Van Ellis. Rebecca Weston. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing Practice, Gloucestershire Constabulary. Zachary Batin. Aidan Cam. Thomas Carter. Samuel Chandler. Georgia Dewar. Joshua Govier. Madeline Lloyd. Laura Middleberg. Emily Pullen. Kate Roberts. Megan Spill. Oliver Thompson. Luke Tabby. Matthew Warren. Amelia West. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Policing Practice, Wiltshire Police. Emma Adams. Alexander Allen. Thomas Armstrong. Nina Barber McLean. Joe Cannings. Alex Joseph Carty. Lisa Churchill. Jennifer Alice Coyston. Jacob Dartnell Smith. Joshua Dalding. Megan Eddington. Joshua Evans. Alice Farnell. Erin Farrell. Kyra Freeland. Jakub Gorski. Caitlin Grant. Emily Harbour. Connor Harris. Neil Hubbard. Amelia Hudson. Matthew Jones. Marie Kitt. Amy Lodge. Joseph Moss. Harry Partle. Joshua Pinsent. Oliver Pocock. Matthew Pulley. John Ray. Scott Robbins. Frederick Ross. Summer Stone. Scott Taylor. Emily Twyford. Anna Whitford. Joel Williams. Charlie Whitmott. the Foundation Degree in Science in Criminology, Coleg Gwent, Blaenau Gwent. Cerys Hughes. Nima Smith. Kashira Williams. Higher National Diploma in Public and Emergency Services, Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys. Rhys Bendon. Bailey Chapman. Lloyd Haynes. Caitlin Murray. Humas Naveed. Rhys Price. Imogen Theobald. Holly Watkins. The Certificate of Higher Education in Police Sciences, Devon and Cornwall Police, Lewis Butt. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Gwent Police, Matthew Davis. The Graduate Diploma in Professional Policing Practice, Dorset Police, Adam Sparks. Pro-Vice Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and graduates, mostly about you. This is my favourite bit of the work I do with the university, is your graduations. You're also my favourite crowd so far, although this is only the second one, so let's not get too carried away. I'm going to have words with the band, though, because I'm only supposed to do three things. I'm supposed to stand, clap, and say congratulations, and they're supposed to come on and give me a rest from all three of those things, and then they start trying to get us into some sort of clapping song. So that won't be happening again, if they're listening. Today is much more than just about today's academic ceremony. It's a celebration for all of you of the perseverance, growth, and the promise of what comes next for you all. And it's a significant milestone in your lives, and it's a moment of immense pride for all of us. The Vice-Chancellor's already called out the other groups that clearly have supported you in that, but let me do it again, because you never thank people enough. So behind you are your parents, partners, families, supporters, colleagues, other people who've been on the journey with you, and it is their day too. They've offered encouragement, reassurance, and support throughout this journey. So let's give them a round of applause. Behind me are representatives of our nearly 3,000 staff members at this remarkable university. They've taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged you along the way. And their commitment to your success is at the heart of everything we do. So let's thank them. But let's be honest, it's mainly about you. You've achieved something extraordinary. You've mastered your subjects, you've developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, engage with complex issues. And these are timeless skills, not just for whatever you're going to do next, but in terms of your lives. And we're proud that the education you've received here is also highly valued by employers, but more than that, we are proud of the way that it transforms your lives and the lives of the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. You are now alumni of our university and therefore our ambassadors, and ambassadors for the ideals we stand for. And wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you have inspired us. Clong Vahadair Diane, congratulations to each and every one of you. Well done. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. I'm going to have to take a drink of the water because we're now going to stand and sing the national anthem. Thank you. Please stand for the national anthem.